Hi and welcome. My name is Tolan and I'm the co-founder of Productivity Me. In this video, we're going to look at the keyboard shortcut of Shift Home, which will allow us to select the entirety of whatever is between our current cursor and the beginning of a cell. So with that, let's get started. All right, so we are here in Excel and we have this example. And rather than use Control Shift left arrow, or Control Shift right arrow. In the next two videos, we're going to look at using Shift Home and Shift End. So if we want to select everything between our current cursor, this area here to the left of book, and the beginning, the fastest way to do this would be to press the Shift key and the Home key. That would automatically select everything between where our cursor was there and the Home key. An alternative would be to place your cursor where you so desire it, press the Shift key, and then left click at the beginning of the cell. That too would allow you to do this. However, if you had a huge amount of text, we're going to take a slight detour. For those of you who like learning keyboard shortcuts, if you're in Word or PowerPoint, you can type the word rand and then the number of paragraphs you want and the number of sentences you want, and this will generate some random text, some placeholder text. So I'm going to press rand 1 and then comma 10, which will give us a single paragraph with 10 sentences. So I'm going to copy this, tab over, and place it in, we'll place it in a new cell. We're going to place it in this cell. Actually, this is clearly not very well planned out. Place it in a new worksheet so that you can see this. All right, so you can just kind of tell that there's a lot of text here. And we're going to wrap it. All right, so this cell here has a huge amount of text, right? And it has so much text that it goes on multiple screens. Now, if we were somewhere in this area and we wanted to, we could perhaps press the Shift key and click. But a faster way to do that would just be to press the Shift key and the Home key, and it would automatically go to the beginning of that line. And then we could press the Shift key and the up arrow, and it would automatically go to the beginning of that paragraph. So again, we were here and we want to select to the beginning of our row. We press Shift Home, and it would automatically select that. So if we were going to go back to our example, and we want to select all the text between company and book, we would press Shift Home and it would automatically select that. If we're at the end of our entry and we want to select all the text, we would press Shift Home and it would automatically select all that. Then we could say change the color to something like white or green. Probably not green because it would be super ugly, but maybe a nice blue. All right, so in this video, we looked at the idea of using the keyboard shortcut of Shift Home in order to select everything between our cursor and the beginning of that row. Or we can, as an alternative, just use the Shift key and then left click with our mouse, essentially with our cursor, and that would allow us to select that text as well. In the next video, we'll look at the equivalent of going in the opposite direction by using the keyboard shortcut of Shift End. Join us for that in the next video, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching.